Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. Today we're going to talk about something that is the famous conditions in terms of licenses, in terms of whatever you want, any type of agreement that you have to and supposed to read before you use a product. So you might start looking at the, license, the condition of use, the, privacy side of things, and then you start going into the terms of service of some hardware, software, or service. And of course, every year, how many people end up in court because they're going to dispute something that isn't right from a company, or that they never told me this was like that, and in fact they did in some cryptic way, in a very, very long terms of service, that they're just telling you basically, we can screw you up as much as we want and you got to live with it, because let's face it, that's what terms of services do. They just tell you in every way possible that they're going to do what they want, and shut up. So this, I think, is an old school way of trying to screw people up that should change. I think that today there should be a very small text that goes straight to the point of, we can do this, we can do that, we cannot do this, we cannot do that, you can do this, you cannot do that, and in such a clear way that there isn't that much that it's going to go through. I mean, there are ways to explain this in a much easier text. In an age where I was reading an article where people have a hard time going past one paragraph of text before kind of losing the sense of it all. You want people to read a document that is written more for a lawyer than for an average Joe that just looks at what it's trying to say. And this needs to end. This is where it should end. It should be very, very, very clear. I mean, you could put that 3-kilometer text if you want, that 100 page of rules, but you can also do a very quick, this is what we give you the right to do. This is what we have the right to do. Be clear and direct. I mean, tell the user, you can do this. An example of that, Microsoft, in its terms of license here, tells you at one place, it never did, but it tells you at one place here that, for example, if you're running a pirated copy of Windows, it can stop it from working. And even if you're running a licensed copy, if you do something they don't like, that same term of service says, yeah, we can flick a switch and your Windows won't work anymore. They, like I said, never do it, but it's full of little things like that people just think, oh, well, we should sue, you should sue, this is the biggest thing, especially in the US. And it's like, nope, you can't sue much, because they have in that text covered every angle and every little details to make sure that, nope, you're wrong. So this needs to change. So that was the Daily Rant. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.